Schwinn Continental. This is a project that was really done, but I went back to tweak it out some more, and I went ahead and I was going to go ahead and change out the original tape that came on it. I just took it all off, and it was pretty dingy. It was cracking in different places. This bike, again, it's a 1974 Continental. Sweet ride. The ride's really smooth. So today I was going back to these bikes to tweak them out a little bit, and as I was changing out the handlebar tape, I realized that I should go ahead and change the brake lines as well. If you notice, these are the original brake lines. Pretty rusty. The actual cable housing itself is not in terrible shape, but it's got some cracks. It's a little discolored, and since I have the front and back, I got both sets of front cable and rear cable. I want to put those on there to give the bike a really pristine finished look. Because again, the handlebar is where you get the most exposure when people see the bike, so that's where you want the bike to really shine. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that as well, and then I'll probably go ahead and replace the shifter cables too. If you can see, the cables are very rusty, and right there it shows you. So I'm going to change all that tomorrow and get it going. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put the tape on it. Alright, so I went ahead and put the tape on, and I put it on pretty tight. Exactly fit 2.5 yards, 2 inches from the stem, and then I did the roll at basically, I did a half roll here, and then I started widening up to about 3/4 down here. But it came out really sweet. Looks awesome. Definitely better than the original tape that was pretty dingy and discolored. So that definitely gives it a bling look. So now we're going to go ahead and add the new brake cables. Got the levers all cleaned off and everything. And then tomorrow I will change these as well, because these look to be a little bit dingy. Actually, these aren't terribly bad, but what's bad is this. Okay, so today we're going to change the shifter cables, and that's these two right here. I'm also going to change the housing. Even though these aren't in terrible shape, they do look a little dingy, and the one in the back is kind of short, so I'm going to go ahead and take the opportunity to change it and take it out for a spin. So our cables are done.